Stop keeping yourself in this crappy situation. Stop holding yourself back. Stop watching people make money online wishing it would be you. Take action and get started. If you don't know me, my name's Emily. I'm 22 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mom. My husband just got deployed. And guys, I'm here solo parenting, still running my business and bringing in income right from home while also not missing any precious moments with my daughter. I am telling you right now, digital marketing is the way to go. Affiliate marketing, TikTok shop, and all of that you can learn within selling with confidence. If you want to learn more, comment me down below. And guess what? For this month, because I have huge goals. I have huge goals to help 45 more people by the end of the year. I will be hopping on a Zoom call with anybody who wants to learn more and just wants that personal connection, just wants to be able to talk to a real person over a call to where they can ask any and all questions so that you know this is real and this is legit. So comment me down below to get more information. I would love to give it to you. And if you want to hop on a Zoom call with me this month, I would love to.